Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. If you're looking for that trailer to eliminate the big, huge toy hauler, but you still want to haul some toys with you and have some conveniences, this is it. These are set up to be that multi-use unit for you. This is a brand new 2020 7x16 trailer. This is loaded out full of goodies. You do have a blackout package with this, so it looks beautiful. Black diamond plate rock guard. You've got the V-nose guard. And then you also have full LED exterior running lights here on the exterior as well. Extended triple tube tongue, that's set up to give you guys a good turning radius with having that extended tongue. Side door does have double lock protection on it. You do have an RV lock and cam bar. That's gonna give you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys, and then that extra cam bar for security. If you're gonna camp in here, you simply just run a padlock right through here, and then you don't have to worry about anybody throwing that cam bar on you and locking you on the interior. These are, again, set up with power, so you do have an exterior GFI outlet out here. It's great. I like to set up a table here and plug in my skillet and cook bacon on the outside. You do have two party lights here off the side as well, so you will have some great light to hang out with at night. And then we do run two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, and a black diamond plate fender with this product. Drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. That's nice, again, if you're camping in here because you can get some extra stability. It's also nice when you're loading and unloading. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it, so you guys can pull your dirt bikes, razors, UTVs, whatever you want right in and out of here very easily. Black diamond plate wrap around that rear door jamb. It's a nice little feature that ties everything in together. And then you do have two party light load lights here off of the back. Excuse me, these are just load lights, not party lights. And that's going to give you guys some great exterior light when you need to load and unload in the dark. 7-foot interior height, so you've got enough space in here for most razors, UTVs, and side-by-sides. 4 D-rings, and then we use our most durable floor. This is an amazing performance floor called Nudo with Maxx. This has this great black durable surface here on top. Underneath is Maxx, which is a water resistant product. So this floor is going to stand up and last a lot longer than what any wood floor will for you. Insulated walls and ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. This aluminum is very nice. It's really bright and reflective, so it makes it nice and bright on the interior. It's also easy to take care of and keep clean. You can wipe it down. Now we do have two 18x44 slider windows with screens. We use a tinted lockable window so you guys can have that privacy with the tint on them. You can lock them up or open them up and have that screen closed, so you've got some nice ventilation in here. Plus we've got a Maxx Air roof vent here in the back as well. So again, great ventilation on the interior of the trailer. Now for lighting, we set these up to be simple and easy to use. So we've got 2 different ways you can run power to the trailer and add lights. First one we're going to talk about is 12 volt. This has got a battery with a battery box and a battery charger in here. And this right here is going to provide power for you to those party lights off the side of your trailer, the load lights off the back. It's also going to run these 6 LED interior puck lights. You've got 3 of these on each side of the trailer, as you guys will notice. Now this is a great feature if you are using this for a camper, because normally, as you know, you need to be plugged into your truck or a generator to have lights. So that eliminates that for you guys. You don't have to fire up the generator at night when you want to run your party lights off the side, or when you get to the campground, you want to drop your truck, get leveled out, do your thing, and have light on the inside of your trailer so you can set up. So again, super awesome option right there that eliminates a lot of headache for people. Now you've also got 30 amp service, which is that box right there. You take the cord, pop it into the floor, go out to a generator. You can also plug that cord into a campground or even just a simple extension cord. That will bring your 1-ton power into the trailer and power up your interior outlets. There's 3 right here, another one in the back behind me. Plus you've got that great exterior GFI outlet. It's also going to run your AC unit with a heat strip, so you do guys have the ability to heat and cool these units. It also will bring power into your 4-foot LEDs. So you've got 2 nice big 4-foot lights across the ceiling and give you plenty of light. Of course, they're all hooked up to switches so you guys control if you just want, one of these little puck lights on, toggle off the other ones, have a nice reading light, or if you really need some extra light in here because you're trying to fix something, work on something, or cook or whatever, you can power up all these lights and have a ton of light inside of this trailer. It's going to be great. 3-year factory warranty with this unit. And we would love to earn your business if you guys are in the market for this sort of a trailer. We are one of the leaders in the industry for providing insulated windows trailers and this type of product to our customers. We make it very simple to buy from us. You guys can go right online, coloradotrailersinc.com, and purchase this unit right now with our Buy It Now button. We also ship, so you can send us a quick email. We'll get you a quote as well to get this trailer delivered right to your door. We've got very reasonable shipping rates. And as always, give us a call with questions. We also can assist you with your purchase in person. come on down and see us or give us a call, 303-688-8485. We're in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned with our YouTube videos. We try and bring informational videos to you guys out all the time in some of our new products. So again, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, we'd love to earn your business.